Slowly but surely, the contagion spread among the rank and file. A rash of tchotchkes, photographs, constellations of personal artifacts all on display. The faint flickering of private lives here in our office. Just like that, the professionalism this office had come to so embody was gone. Ms. Cole had altered it, perhaps irrevocably. Brief aside, Ms. Cole requisitioned a Tier 1 company vehicle in the commission of a work-related matter several weeks ago. Since then, she has used said vehicle almost daily for personal matters. Unacceptable. Fortunately for the office, I managed to get the drop on her next move. An unauthorized lunch swap. Social lunches, particularly those involving swapping, trading, or potluck